Welcome to the Strand Art Centre. My name is Scarlett.
And I'm Martha. And my name is Holly. And we're going to show you how to make a willow lantern. Cut 4 lengths of willow around 30 centimetres long. Tape them together at the corners to make a square. This is your base of your lantern.
Cut 4 more equal lengths of willow.
Tape one end to each corner of your square base. Then gather the other ends together and tape at the top. Use some of the thin ends pieces of willow to crisscross the sides of your pyramid. Secure them with small pieces of tape.
Test your fairy lights to make sure they work. Then attach them to the inside of your lantern frame with little bits of tape.
Stick the battery pack securely at the bottom of the lantern. Tie a piece of string to the very top of your lantern frame, creating a loop.
Pour some glue into a bowl, then add water. 2/3 glue, 1/3 water.
Lay a piece of special tissue on the table. Spread a glue mixture over it using your sponge. When it is soaked with glue, carefully stick it to the outside of your lantern frame.
Repeat this until your lantern is covered. Don't cover the base.
Set your lantern somewhere safe and warm to dry. After it's dry, you can decorate it with stickers, paint, and even coloured tissue paper. This is one we've done earlier. Here's your finished lanterns. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a fun time making a lantern.